case study video, we are going to see the topic how to solve transfer of information, ensuring clarity and accuracy. So first of all, we'll define the topic transfer of information. So transfer of information, you can simply mean it by saying text can be converted into a graphical images, whereas an image can be converted into a text. So this will be the basic concept of this topic. So in this transfer of information, we people can able to change graphs such as bar chart, pie chart. Sometimes it might be a tabular column, or else we can deal with the flow chart kind of items to explain the content. For instance, flow charts can be used to describe about the process of making something, especially if you want to tell about how to book a movie ticket in the sense. So for that scenario, we can make a flow chart diagram which conveys the step-by-step procedure what we are doing it before booking the tickets. So if people are using this flowchart symbol, that rectangular box, right? So within this box, just remember that you are supposed to write only the short sentence. You are not supposed to make it as a long sentence or a paragraph kind of a stuff within the box. So for then you people can share how before booking the ticket through online, what are all the things we supposed to do? We log in with the ID. Okay, log in with the registered ID. Okay, then we'll select theater. So after selecting the theater, we'll just plan for the availability of the ticket and seats. No, so availability of the seats. Then in this we have further preference such as snacks and other items and all. So like that the step-by-step process just goes on. So this is how we can make the flow chart informations. Okay, so you can easily remember that flow chart can be used to describe about the step-by-step processing activity. So in this you can add up for posting and LinkedIn articles. Some cases it might be like a process of making meal or else sugar cane juice, whatever it is. The concept is that you can just give only the concise information within the box. And next we are going to see about the bar graph informations. So usually the bar chart used to illustrate about the data of different periods first of all. So recently you people written during the examination, it's all about the students' regular habits, right? So it deals with multiple data. So similarly, both bar chart and pie chart are very close and similar. So in that scenario, what we are supposed to use in the sense, a thing is that maximum time students find it difficult to elaborate the answer when you are given with only the image. So that is the basic problem, right? So since we are talking about that description part of this topic, so what we are supposed to do in the sense, very first thing is that you are not supposed to add informations out of the images. So no need to write informations which is not available in the picture first of all. And secondary thing is that before writing an answer, very first line itself you have to state that the given bar graph illustrates the details of two-wheeler users, four-wheeler users, student-teacher ratio, something like that can be given at the very beginning itself. So hope you people just remember the question what you have written in your end semester examination. No? So there you got a question which is related to the pie chart one. So in that pie chart, they discussed about the various activities carried out by the students. So among that we have taken 6 components such as reading and sleeping, playing and exercise, and minimal part for usage of mobile phone. So like that you can get a pie chart image, right? So when you look at this image, what are all the things comes to your mind actually? So here it is the pie chart. So how you will frame your answer?
Extracting the content Based on
What the activities?
What are all the activities? So very first thing you just not of you can write only the very first paragraph which deals about each slice representing what data it is. In that scenario we just go with the reading for 60% and sleeping for 90% and playing for 70 and exercise for 10% and usage of mobile phone 100%. So however we gonna given certain amount of data, right? So first you plainly explain about the position of the details. Later on you compare your data with one another, so this might help you to analyze about the data in a better way. So from this chart, which part takes more part of this pie chart? So among the habits,
If first part we explain that what the pie chart. After we explain that discuss
analysis, comparing a data and contrasting, especially with the highest data, least data, and which part possesses the biggest ratio compared with all other items. So in that scenario, here we have the student spends more time in online, so that usage of mobile phone takes 100% and the least percentage is occupied by the exercise part. So like that you can plan your answer in an elaborative way. So without adding content from out of the image, better you can elaborate your answer with the given pie chart itself. You can do it better. Okay, thank you.